This is a 2016 Jeep Compass. So we got the check engine light on. We're gonna read the code. Okay, so it looks like we got one code, and let's read it. We got cylinder number 3 misfire detected. So swap the ignition coil, see if it comes to the same cylinder or a different cylinder. So number 3 is giving me misfire 1, 2, and 3. So this one, I'm gonna put this one over here and this one over here. I'm gonna check the scanner again, see if it's giving me the misfire on 3. If it's not, I mean, I'll go with the spark plug or injector. I'm just gonna put a check mark on this one, number 3. That way I don't get confused. I'm gonna check the spark plugs too. Let's see how they are. Okay, so I'm going to erase it, reset it. Right. This is 2016. Okay, so I'm using a different scanner, so let me go to engine. Let me go to system test. Okay, cylinder is misfiring. It's this one over here. So let me go over here. So if you can see, we got cylinder 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And if you could see, the one that has the misfire now, it's the number 1. That's where I put the coil, the ignition coil that was on number 3. So the one that was on number 3, I put it on number 1. So now number 1 is giving me misfiring. So you could see it over here on the screen. So the problem with this car is the ignition coil. Okay, so yeah, the problem is this one now. I got misfire on this one now. And if you remember, the misfire was on number 3. So what we have to do is replace this one. And that's it.